An appointment is not just about when, it's about who as well. Meeting the right person at the right time can make a difference for a lifetime. So, why not let your leads make the decision and choose the person they prefer? Say hi to FluentBooking's latest inclusion team and give your leads the freedom to decide who they'd like to interact with. Multiple people with various expertise working under your supervision or running an organization that offers multiple services. With Teams, you can add them to your booking page with a short introduction. Now your clients can see them while booking an appointment and make an informed decision. Let's say a new marketing specialist joins the team. Now every visitor with an interest in marketing can book a meeting with him. Practical, precise, and perfect. That's how an appointment management system should be. Get FluentBooking now and add a new fluency to your next booking.